From the Dreamy Leads Research, most people try to lower their car insurance with the weakest levers first. Ranked by actual impact, the list looks very different. In United States, average expenditure NEC is $1,062. In United States, same driver, quote range is $2,400, $7,800. In United States, deductible rule is what you can pay tomorrow. In United States, renter's average, NAIC, is $170 per year. In United States, usage-based pricing is measured driving. In United States, old car ceiling is ACV minus deductible. In United States, liability is never cut. In United States, full playbook is dreamyleads.com. General information, not professional financial tax, legal, or insurance advice. Run your own United States numbers on the Dreamy Leads Research Financial Data Explorer. Dreamy Leads Research may earn a commission through partner links. It never changes the numbers.